The emphasis on community and fellowship within the Bible underscores the importance of relational connections and mutual support among believers. This concept is woven throughout the Scriptures, highlighting the significance of unity, encouragement, and accountability within the body of Christ. In the New Testament, particularly in the letters written by the Apostle Paul, there are numerous references to the importance of community among believers. For example, in Romans 12 verse 4-5, Paul describes believers as members of one body, each with unique gifts and roles, yet interconnected and interdependent. Similarly, in 1 Corinthians 12, Paul uses the metaphor of the body to illustrate the unity and diversity within the Christian community, emphasizing the need for mutual care and support. Moreover, the Bible encourages believers to not give up meeting together, as some are in the habit of doing, but encouraging one another. Hebrews 10 verse 25. Regular fellowship and gathering with other believers provide opportunities for mutual encouragement, spiritual growth, and accountability in the Christian walk. Beyond the internal dynamics of the faith community, the Bible also emphasizes reaching out to those in need outside the community. Jesus himself modeled this through his ministry, showing compassion and care for the marginalized, the oppressed, and the outcasts. Believers are called to follow his example, demonstrating love and compassion to all people, regardless of their background or beliefs. Ultimately, the importance of community in the Bible reflects God's design for human relationships. By fostering authentic community and fellowship, believers can experience deeper spiritual growth, find support in times of need, and collectively bear witness to the transformative power of Christ's love in the world.